Akirekereria riboti ya mwaka, murugamiriri munene wa kambuni ya Kenya Airways Mbuvi Gunze auma na gitumi gia gukenerera thutha wa maumirira ma mwaka kuonania kambuni ino ni ireyukiriria.
Over the last few years, KQ has gone through a tough time. And what we did a year and a half ago, we said, how do we reconsolidate and how do we get this business back on its footing? A lot of people had buried KQ, but KQ is stronger today than it was 2 years ago.
Ona gutuika kambuni no ndinahota guthondeka baita, muigana wa hathara iria yathiite mwaka muthiru ni unyihanyihitie na ciringi mbirioni 16.
Our operating profit positive 900 million, a swing of 5 billion from 4.1 billion last year, and our loss after tax reduced sharply from 25 billion to 10 billion.
Kuringana na Gunze, mubango wa Operation Pride uria warugurithio mwaka muthiru wa guthara kambuni ino kuumana na hathara ni ugite na maciaro na riu yerekeire kwirugamia. Kugena kuo bengi ya Equity nayo ni irekereirie riboti ya gicunjĩ kia mieri 3 ya mbere mwaka-ini uyu. Riboti ino yonanitie ati bengi ino iria niyo itongoretie hari gukorana na namba nene muno ya customers ni ihutitio ni watho uria warutithirio wira kuuma mwaka muthiru wa kugeithio kwa marihi ma njoherera hari ngombo.
Profit before tax goes down by only 5%, despite the 11% decline in interest income and the same profit after tax.
Riri ni rita ria keri ria bengi ino kugoithia baita iria ithondekaga thutha wa riboti ya mwaka wa 2016 kuonania mathondekete baita ya ciringi bilioni 16 na mirioni magana 5 ukiringithanio na ciringi bilioni 17 na mirioni magana 3 mwaka-ini ucio wari hau kabere.
To avoid a systemic risk, Equity has chosen to trade off profitability with liquidity. Cash is king.
Guku bengi nyingi kionania kugwa gwa baita gicunjĩ-ini giki kia mbere kia mwaka, ataramu marauga undu uyu ni uratanywo guthii na mbere mieri-ini yukite kurumirira ikinya riri ria thirikari ria gwikira watho hari marihi ma njoherera ngombo-ini. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.